How to activate your account if you're from Uganda and Kenya. This is how you activate your account. Log into your CashChat bank account and scroll down to that circle with the word wallet in between. Click on it and you're going to open a page where they are going to ask you to type the word start to continue. So type the word start at the bottom of the page and click send. Now they are going to bring you another page with two options. Option 1 says my wallet and option 2 says stock investment. So you're going to type 1 and you click send. That is my wallet. Now the main menu is going to open up, and on that menu there are going to be 10 options. But the second option, number 2, it says pay subscription. So you're going to type 2 in the space below and you're going to click send. Now, they are going to ask you to select the currency. So if you are from Uganda, you are going to select option 1, which is UGX. But if you're from Kenya, you are going to select option 2, that is KES, stands for Kenyan shillings, and click send. So on the next page, they are going to ask you to select the payment method, and they are going to give you 2 options. Option 1 says mobile. That is, you can choose to pay with MTN Uganda or with M-Pesa. So if you are from Uganda, you're going to use any MTN number. But if you're from Kenya, you can use any M-Pesa number. So you are going to select type 1 and you click send. Now they are going to give you the option to write your mobile money number. So enter your number starting with the country code, but don't put that plus sign. Just start with the country code, i.e. if you're from Uganda and you're going to use an MTN number, start with 2567 and add the remaining numbers. Now, once you've completed writing the phone number, don't put any space in between the numbers. Let them be together. Click send, and a prompt is going to appear on your phone number asking you to enter your mobile money PIN code. So when you enter that PIN, your account is going to be activated, and 75,000 Ugandan shillings is going to be deducted from your mobile money account. So you must have that minimum balance on your account before you start this process. And if you're from Kenya, 1,550 Kenyan shillings is going to be deducted from your M-Pesa, and you must have it on your account before you start. So that's how you activate your CashChat account in Kenya and Uganda. Thank you so much.